morning. It's Wednesday, June 1st, and I'm walking to Walker Pass to Lake Isabella. I had some shoes that are supposed to arrive. It's a beautiful day. It's like an Oreo cookie. Hiking for over 6 hours. I think I'm gonna sit down, take a little break. There are a lot of scree fields to cross in this section north of Walker Pass, and I find that it's very satisfying. It's something different. I think it's one of my favorite things to do, is to walk through them. Not really run, but slightly. This reminds me more of the Sierra area, since we're so close. At this rock reminds me a little more of the JMT. I realize that for me, probably most people, this is 99% mental, and it's been a battle, that's for sure. Seems so simple. Water crossing the trail. There's a rarity. Very thankful. It's nice water. There's water like 6 miles or so back at a trough in a small spring. You have to hike like a quarter mile to get down to it. I do not recommend that. Hardest water I could get. It was all muddy. I got it from the spring, whatever it was. I had to keep digging at, making like a pathway to make it flow better. Took forever. So that was a waste of time, I thought. That one is perfect. There were two before this, they were also nice. Time to find a camping spot. So I made up my own tent site, and I hope I don't like fall down the hill, but I dug a ditch and I want a cowboy camp. So here's hoping I don't roll off the hill. I am cowboy camping, and I'm hoping I don't fall off this cliff. I dug like a ditch for myself You can't tell, but yeah. Just hoping I don't move around too much tonight. Yeah. Oh, I hope I don't see any like bears or mountain lions. I mean, that would be kind of freaky. I don't know what I would do. Okay. My little camping spot. Loved it. Slept really well. Saw a bat, the stars, and nothing else, thankfully. What is he? Kingfisher? Blue jay? I don't know. They're all over, so I don't know.
Well, that's probably do 4 or 5 people. Sure.
Those boulders up there look like they're sliced. Okay, according to his rattles, he looks like he's like 6 years old. I don't know. He didn't look like he wants to go anywhere. Alright. What can easily go around, I guess. So I'll let him be. I'll just go over here hoping his family isn't hanging out. Seriously, where'd it go? She's still there. Sweet. It's the first time I've been able to walk around one. Rattlesnake 22 or snake maybe. I don't know. It's kind of a special day. Ends the desert section about 5 miles from Sherman Pass, Kennedy Meadows South. 700-mile marker is coming up, and it's been a very tough and rewarding journey. I poured my body and my heart and my mind into this trail every day. I've tried to hike 20 miles or more every day. Sometimes it didn't work out, but it's been an interesting experience. What a magnificent sight. Should I move the camera? There's some kisses. Yes! 700! Yes! Happy, happy. Can't believe it. Yes! Yes. Okay, 2.2 miles to go to Sherman Pass and Kennedy Meadows South. 702.2. Content. I'm happy. I'm so happy I did this. I think that BCTA for maintaining the trail. I know I'll be back probably. I'll try not to cry about it. So much hard work. I haven't fallen in love with it like I did the AT, but there's a lot to love about it. way easier on my knees. Thank you. At least so far. So much sweat and pain. So many beautiful rattlesnakes, bear, some birds. People I'll never see again. I thank my family for supporting me. My children. Their encouragement. Their love and support has meant the world to me. My sisters, my brother, my mom. My friends. Might be emotional coming off the trail. More than I thought, I'm not sure. We'll see. I just know that I have it in me to be alone, to do hard things alone, dig deep, have determination, work hard. I'm so thankful for this opportunity. I thank God for taking care of me. He gives me clarity. He took away my anxieties. I was afraid of cowboy camp. I tried it, loved it. I was afraid to night hike to a degree. Not sure. Loved it. Hiked in the dark. Hiked alone. Found camping spots alone. Walked each step almost entirely alone. But God's always with me. Thank you, God, for this opportunity and all of the amazing things that you've created. Even if the desert's not my favorite thing, it's so beautiful and varied. The fact that things can survive on so little water is amazing. This whole journey was a transition period for me as I was going through a lot of change in my personal life, and being completely alone on the trail was my intention. I wanted to understand and learn how to be completely and utterly alone, and it's a very deep feeling that I've never felt before. I hate quitting on anything, so this was a really hard decision. And at the time, I felt very content. But as you'll see, I tried to attempt to come back because
just the idea of quitting just did not sit well with my whole being. So I attempted to go back for a short period of time, but ultimately I just went ahead and left the trail.
I can't believe you walked out here.
I thought I was going to have to walk a lot further. You've been hauling ass. Oh my gosh. How are you this far already? I mean, honestly, I thought I was going to have to walk another hour and a half or more.
I can't believe you're here.
How are you?
Oh,
What?
I'm good. I just saw that and I was
Isn't
like,
it beautiful? I was just looking at it and I was...
I like that. Do I have skills? I got skills. Maybe not.